One of the most rewarding and valuable home improvement projects that you can make is to replace the windows in your house. New windows help to make your home more beautiful, both inside and out, increase its value, and improve the comfort level for you and your entire family. We trust Interstate as a manufacturer of windows, as they have a high-quality construction as well as many other value-added features. Interstate windows contain advanced energy-saving technologies that ensure that you will see a reduction in your energy bills substantially in both the winter and summer. That makes installing new windows a sound investment that will pay for itself over time. Some other features include noise reduction, enhanced curb appeal, improved comfort, and much more. For answers to your questions about your upcoming window installation project or more information about this brand, please call our knowledgeable and friendly staff at 864-990-4836 to schedule your free consultation.